yellow, pink. Okay, one point. Okay, okay na. Four, one. Ready? Ready? Green, yellow, blue. Pwede mo sa atin yan. Blue, purple.
Pasagi ang
4-2. Okay, 4-2. Ready?
Wait lang, hindi ako marunong.
Ready? Pink, yellow, blue. Green. Green, pink, blue, yellow. Wow, sorry. Apples ka na. Green, pink. Sige. Nagbabaper eh, okay. Orange, yellow, blue, green, pink. Mas mabilis. Ready? Magaling. Ready? Yellow, blue, pink, green. Tama. Okay, blue, yellow, green, pink, blue, yellow. Okay. 5-2. 5-2. Next match. 5-2. Habol. Ready? Okay, ready? Okay, yan. Mabilis. Ready? Orange, yellow, blue. Hindi na ba?
5-2, tapos eliminated yung isa.
May dalawa pa. May pagkasa pa. Ready?
May twist.
May twist. Ready?
Sir, may twist.
Pink, yellow, orange. Nag-same. 5-3. Ano nga dito na ba na?
Wala akong kalaban, to panalo ko. Hindi, tapos na siya.
Ayun.
Alam mo kung sino mag-i-evaluate sa'yo.
Approve na.
Pikit! Ano bang gagawin?
Okay, ito. Medyo slow muna para may pa... Yellow. Tama, sige. Green yellow.
Color blind yan.
Ito, magtatanggalin ng kamay ko. Touch move yan, touch move. Okay. Start. Pink. Yellow. Orange. Blue. Pink. Yellow. Blue. Okay.